Hi guys, welcome back. Today we will be talking about what can you give as a gift for Christmas. Hello, welcome back guys. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Mary, and in this channel we teach sewing for advanced levels, for beginners, for even intermediate levels.
I've always wanted to do that.
Today we'll be talking about what could you give as a gift in Christmas for those who love sewing. Before we start, I just want to let you know all the stuff I have now is not just, I didn't go out and buy everything when I first started to.
You gotta be kidding me.
No, I collected these items throughout the years. I've been sewing now for about 8 years. So don't feel sorry if you don't have any of that. I still think some of my items do need to be replaced because some of them are really old, but yet they still work and they can do the job. So I will show you items that can be cheaper, can be expensive. It depends on your budget. Let's start with the very minor items like seam rippers, like scissors, like pattern weights, sergers. Let's go to a bigger budget.
That thing's worth over $1 million.
On those who you love and that love sewing, they will really appreciate that.
Thank you very much.
Because you know, if you have a sewing machine, you can still finish your edges with the zigzag stitch, but would be very good to have is a serger. I didn't have the serger for about 7 years. I just got it a year ago.
Really?
Another thing you could have is a dress form, and again, you don't need it if you don't feel like it. You still can use your own body to fit your garment. And again, I didn't have my dress form until I guess a year ago or 2 years ago, and it was given to me as a gift. I also use it for remodeling my stuff on it, like the things that I sew. And if you've been watching me, you will see that I always display all the stuff I make on that dress form. So for the cheapest items that you could buy, seam rippers. How many times as a sewer you made a mistake? I guarantee none of us has never made a mistake.
I guess we're doing this the hard way.
But anyway, seam rippers, especially when they are sharp, they are the best gift you can give to a sewer. They will appreciate it a lot. Hey, if this is your first time in my channel, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on all the notifications so you won't miss a thing. In this channel, we teach sewing, we teach upcycling, we teach home decor. I have lots of ideas to share with you that will make your sewing journey is the best. Let's go back to the video. Moving to a little bit expensive stuff is the scissors. You can start by buying the scissor for $4 and the $6 and the $7 one works the same.
This is kind of hard to explain.
But there are so many varieties. You can find the good scissors at Walmart. If you want to go a little bit cheaper, you can go to dollar store. I have ruined so many scissors because I used it in paper.
This is so sad.
I know I shouldn't, but so that's why now I have quite a collection. Next item I have for you is rotary cutter. I just started using rotary cutter about 2 years ago, so it's a great gift to give. Again, you can find them at Walmart, but this one won't find it on Dollar Tree or any of your local fabric store. I hope that helped you to think of some ideas of what to purchase for those who love sewing.